How to delete the cache of the Filmora app. So let's get started. First of all, open the settings app of your mobile phone, just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this. Now scroll down and find the general option right here. Now select it. Then tap onto iPhone storage right here. Now tap on it. Then scroll down and find the Filmora app. And now you can see there is the Filmora app. Now select it. Now to clear the cache, simply tap on to offload app right here. Now tap on it, and after offloading the app, the cache of the Filmora will be cleared. And don't forget to reinstall the Filmora app after offloading the app. And that's it. This is how you can delete the cache of the Filmora. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.